What up guys, it's your boy Nemes here, yet with another tutorial, and today it will be the French braid. Before we start, I should mention that you should know how to braid before attempting the French braid. I've already made a video about that, so I'll put a link to that in the description. Also, if you want to French braid, your hair should be at least 15 centimeters long. Now without further ado, let's get into it. If you have drier, softer hair like me, I recommend braiding about 2 to 3 days after your last hair wash, because as the hair gets oily, it is much less prone to tangling and sticking together, and the braiding is much easier. So firstly, you want to take a comb and brush your hair so it's not tangled. Then you can also apply some product so the braid holds better and lasts longer. Now to the braiding. There are a few different ways to start a French braid. You can start with 2 or 3 strands of hair just in the middle, or with the whole width of your head like that. Try it out and see what works best for you. I'll go with the 3 strands in the middle. So you're gonna take those 3 strands of hair and start doing the regular braid. Just make sure you're crossing the hair under, not over, as it will end up in a different look that looks like this. But if this is what you want, then go with crossing over. So as I said, take the 3 strands of hair and start braiding. So cross it under. Now the other one. Now before you continue braiding again, you wanna add the hair on the side and add it to the strand of hair and cross it under together. Now do the same thing on the other side. When doing it, make sure to add all the hair from the middle to the side so the braid is as thick as possible. So again, grab the hair and cross it under. The same thing on the other side. You want to also make sure that the braid is tight enough and braid it just above the head, as it will matter when we get to the back. So that should be all you need to know. So I'll just start over and show you what it looks like afterwards. So guys, once we're done, you're gonna secure the end with a rubber band. So, and if you didn't do it perfectly like this, you can always go and pull the hair a little, as it will make the braid bigger. And if there are like those waves that are coming out, you can always go and make it tighter a little, and it will pull the hair in the braid. You can also pull the hair on the other side a little to make it look even. And if you're still not satisfied, you can always unbraid it and do it again. The front is usually the hardest part, so it will take some time for you to learn how to do it properly. I haven't done that in a while, so as you can see, it's not perfect, but I don't mind. It should be enough for this video. So there you have it guys, that's how you do a French braid. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click that like button and subscribe to my channel. If you got any suggestions for next video, leave a comment down below. So that's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.